Alright, we got the Darkflash Phantom ATX MidTower case. Comes pre-installed with 620mm RGB fans. Tempered glass all the way around. Got this from Amazon for $135 after a $20 coupon you can clip. Double boxed, so that's good. It's got magnetic dust filters. See how these look. Got 4 fans up front and 2 in the rear. Power button, reset USB 2.0 to them, 2 USB 3.0s, and there's a controller for the RGB lighting, and then headphones and mic. So this is a beautiful case. I love it. The main reason obviously you buy this is for the 6 lights, and they look really good. Here's the default setting that just runs. It comes with a remote, and you can change quite a bit on it. The colors, the speed. I'm not sure what M is, to be honest. And then the brightness. You can change the speed. Let's see if I can get that faster. Yeah, a lot faster. Change each color. Adjust the brightness. Of course, I don't know why you'd want it dark. Bright as possible for me. Of course, you can turn it off, but why would you do that? And then you can also, right here is the main controller. Sorry it's so dark, but there's a button right here in the corner that you can manually change the colors. There's a rainbow one that's pretty cool, I think. Yeah, that one's pretty cool. Or if you just go to auto, that's kind of the default one that it starts up with. I like it a little bit slower. Something like that. But yeah, it was a really easy swap. Everything fit in there nicely. Easy to route the cables. Nice big section at the bottom for the power, and then you can tuck away all the extra cables. I highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for a nice one with fans. And the tempered glass all the way around is really a nice touch. I would highly recommend. Hope you enjoyed this quick review, and have a good day.